What's up, G-Bays? It's your girl, Cheyenne, as y'all can tell. I'm back with another banger for y'all. Today, your girl outside, and we are on our way to the store. We're about to make some chicken pot pies. So, I just have to run to the store to get all of our ingredients so that we can make the chicken pot pies. So, yeah, I'm almost to the store, y'all. Just tap in. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when we actually walk into the store. So hold on. Okay, y'all, we just made it to the store. Walking up in the store, y'all. Put some beans. And what we gonna do, y'all? Hold on. Okay, y'all, we got our basket. We're gonna start with the chicken first. We cheating, y'all. We was gonna do chicken breast, but y'all know how it be when y'all borrowing on the budget. So this is what I'm looking at right now, and I'm just trying to figure out which one is the best option. So we're gonna get this one. And then we're gonna go over here to get us some, we need some cream and chicken, y'all. So, walk right over here. Do y'all see how expensive this stuff has gotten? Where did I get this one, y'all? Like shit. Yeah, comment down below if y'all not fucking with how expensive this shit be, y'all. Cause on my mama, this shit is insane. It's like, how can y'all expect us to be able to afford this stuff? For real. But ain't paying us the real money in the jobs. That's the real tea. So now, y'all, we headed over here for these vegetables. So, I'm gonna just get this thing of mixed vegetables. This should be enough, y'all. It's just me and my man. Shout out to me and my man, because it's just me and my man. And last but not least, we have to grab the biscuits. So, headed over there now to the biscuits. How y'all day been today? My day's been good. And I took a really good nap today. No shade. That nap was needed. So, which one should I do, y'all? Should I do the non-flaky ones or the flaky ones? Hold on, gotta call my man. Yeah, I'm back, and these are the biscuits we're gonna go with. I really want to see like what's this at before I grab us any dessert for us as of right now. Cause like I said, y'all, shit is expensive. You know, shit, I'm not finna go crazy on everything today. So yeah, that's that. So hold up. And I need, hold on. Yeah, I'm back in my man is right here. Shout out to him for making the goddamn food. I don't know what he did. He can tell y'all maybe next time, but this is the outcome.
The chicken, the vegetables, all that is in the inside.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna turn back in when everything is done. And he did only use half of the bag of vegetables and
Also, that's because we only
one can of chicken, and we was only have one.
In other words, we are cooking like we are cooking to like, hold on, we cooking to portionize. Like, I'm not finna keep cooking meals that like we be having extra leftovers with.
Basically.
So it's 8 balls, 4 each. I'm probably only eat about 2. 8 balls, 4 each. They full. Got the top and bottom crust. Y'all gonna see when we done though.
So yeah. Hey y'all, we back. We just made some garlic butter to go on top. They just came out. I'm finna get y'all a close up. Hold up.
Get in on it. Get in on it.